Experiencing issues with the Intel SST microphone not working on Windows 11? I'll share a fixes to resolve this problem. Stay tuned for solutions to ensure your microphone functions properly on your system. Your computer should have audio and microphone ports if you can use the headset's audio and microphone jacks independently, meaning that neither jack is just a combination of the other. On the other hand, you will need to buy a headset with a single jack or a converter to change the two 3.5 mm connectors found on most headsets into a single 3.5 mm port if your computer only has one jack. If your laptop or computer only has one port for audio input and output, and your headphones only have a single 3.5 mm connector, you will need an adapter to record the microphone signal, for example, into the computer, and the audio signal, for example, into the computer. On your keyboard, press the Windows logo key and type microphone. Then click on Microphone Privacy Settings. Under the Let Desktop Apps to access your microphone section, make sure the toggle is on so that you can allow apps access to your microphone. Scroll down to the Choose which apps can access your microphone section and make sure the toggle for the app you're using the microphone with is turned on. Check the mic and see if the microphone not working on the laptop issue has been resolved. Press Windows plus R, type Control Panel, then click on OK. Select large icons from the View by drop-down menu and click on Troubleshooting. Then click on Troubleshoot Audio Recording. Wait for the system to resolve the problem. You may have malware on your computer if you discover that the volume on your microphone has been reset to 0. The volume may decrease as a result of some spyware interfering with how your computer uses your microphone. Nevertheless, you can resolve this issue by running an antivirus scan on your computer. Even though there are a lot of fantastic antivirus programs available, you might want to think about switching to the greatest option if your present antivirus isn't able to resolve the issue. Installing any of the most reputable antivirus programs for Windows 11 will help you resolve issues relating to malware as well as the microphone. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.